Good day, Mom and Sir. I am Charlemagne Tumbukilang, 31 years old, married, blessed two children, boy and girl, ages 12 and 10 years old. I am college undergraduate, BS in agriculture. I have experience as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia in 2 years. I serve 6 members of the family, one couple, and 4 children, ages 43, 38, 16, 12, 6, and 3 years old. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning the house, washing and ironing the clothes, and also cooking. My main duties is to take good care of the children, especially the youngest child. I give them foods, sometimes we playing with them. Mom, sir, if you choose me as your helper, I promise to do my duties and responsibilities. I'm honest, flexible, and hardworking. Thank you, Mom, and good day.